Hyundai's N Performance sub-brand takes its first SUV. The Kona N subcompact crossover impresses with its turbocharged 4-cylinder, stiff suspension, and sharp handling, all of which you'll find in the Kona N. All the distinctive sporty elements are present on the exterior: black grille, wrinkled and perforated bonnet, large air intakes, sleek and simple headlight markings and badge, low-profile tires, dual exhaust, and red stripes along the bottom edge of the spoiler, side skirts, and diffuser. This activates overboost mode, increasing the 276 horsepower fleet to 286 for 20 seconds. Unsurprisingly, the crossover doesn't offer a manual transmission to its smaller sibling. An 8-speed automatic clutch handles shifting duties and directs torque to the front wheels only. Suede-like seat covers, more in badges, and performance blue accents complete the package. What's new for 2022? The Kona crossover joins the N brand lineup this year. The Kona N is offered as just one fully loaded spec for $35,425. It comes standard with a host of driver assist features and all the usual best Kona infotainment technology. The only thing you have to choose is the color. In contrast stitching, fashion dial, and shifter knob, the signature N brand color, Performance Blue, adds much-needed brightness to an all-black interior. We'll check the size of its cargo hold in due course, but there's a good chance the Kona N will hold the same amount of luggage behind its backseat, i.e., 4 carry-on size suitcases, as the regular Kona. The digital gauge cluster measures 10.3 inches and looks quite modern, but you don't need to glance at it, considering there's a heads-up display mounted on the dashboard to show how fast you're going. Underlining the Kona N sporting goals, the 10.3-inch infotainment screen will present race-minded Kona N owners, all 5, with track maps and lap monitoring information on request. Other features to note: Harman/Kardon delivers noise with an 8-speaker setup, and shoppers can charge their phones wirelessly.